Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Almost 60 degrees out here. Last week we had minus 11, so 11 below, and a lot of snow. All of it is gone. So I decide it's time to take the convertible out, go for a ride. Not gonna work. We had a tree cut off last week. They took one of my trees out and some of the neighbors' trees out. And when they took out the big branches, they hit my gate. So my wife says, I can't go out and play until I fix the gate. Now, usually I make computer videos and videos about cars or computers or technical stuff, and now I have to fix stuff. I don't know how that works out. I have some tools. She buys me the tools and thinks I get better. I can fix it when I have the tools, but that's not how it works. I give it anyway a try. I hope I don't do any more damage. So just let's go and see how I fix that chain link fence gate. Tools, what we need. First I need gloves. There's a bigger hammer. How about that? How about that? I would say some penetrating oil. I should have sprayed this on last night, but it was still cold. Then we see if we can loosen that up, the thing. It's gonna be a weird video again. Yeah, they hit that gate. And I think they moved the whole thing down. I think the whole thing has to come up. This too needs to come up because see how crooked this is? It's not even moving. I don't even know. Okay, all done. That's how it's supposed to work. So the wife came home. I can't leave right now. You know, you can't just leave. Take off, but the car is in winter sleep so long, so I'm gonna see if I can wake it up. Well, it started. So that's it. Next video will be some technical stuff. Not that I have a lot of experience in that, but we'll do it. I hope you're still awake. If you're still awake, hit like, subscribe, and the bell. You know the drill. And I see you next time.